Hey everybody, this is Randy again with Randy Fixes It. Today's video is going to be a different kind of video that I am going to show you a purchase I did on eBay. I had purchased 14 Xbox Ones. Don't know what was wrong. It's the various issues from somebody. The price will be listed. I'm going to post it. And I'm going to go through each console and see what I can make on each one. I'll give you a detailed description. Problem is, I already recorded it, and I lost the footage for console number one. So I started out at console number two. Hence, I'm making this this preview. I'm making this preview caption, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I'm new to this YouTube thing, so I'm trying to figure stuff out. But yeah, enjoy it. You're gonna see what I do. It will be a multi-stage series that I will. This is the purchase. I'll be doing it with a couple things. I currently have about 200 game consoles that I have bought. To start really getting into this and learning it. The Randy Fixes It channel will do this. It'll evolve over time where I'll do various things. And right now I'm into the gaming systems. I like the electronics. I'm thinking about going into future stuff like medical equipment, things like that. It'll be really profitable. But I want you to take this journey with me together. So thank you for watching and enjoy the video. All right, now this is Xbox number two. You'll see I actually went through it already and just checked it. Plug it in. And there you can see my TV was just turned off. Let me lock on the controller. And then there you go. So I started installing Call of Duty Modern Warfare. It locked up, which is telling me that this Xbox One needs a new laser in it. Put that aside. I had my notes on it. And also when I went through it, this one had a 1 terabyte. So as much as part of the lot, I got this for $20. This is going to be a $180, $200 console when it's all said and done. We'll go on to Xbox number 3. But you know what? I'm going to take a break because I'm heading out for a little bit. And I'm going to come back and it'll be dark. All right, I am back. And you're going to see now, we got one box down. We've got a bunch to go. So you've seen the first two. Let's go to box number 3. See if there's any notes on it. There is no notes, just a red tag. Power's on. Power's on, power's off. Okay. Notice in the power block. Reset it. It's white. Let's try it again. Okay, so I had to unplug the power block and power it on. I did leave it plugged in. And it is staying on. Let's see what it does. Oh, there it goes. Now these are broken Xboxes, mind you. Let's see how long it takes. Let's get the controller on. Now the description just said various problems, no power, CD-ROM not working, but so far everything's working. And I have replacement lasers on order. So this is going to be, if it's just another CD-ROM, I'm going to make quick, easy money on these. I'll spend more time probably polishing the case and getting it back to new, making it look great, than I will on the physical work on some of these machines. If I get a board that's at all dirty, I will sonic clean it so it comes out to like new as well. I'm going to try and sync the controller up while it's booting. So it's taking a long time to boot, just telling me it's going to have an issue probably with the software or the CD-ROM. It's going to lock up. Well, I don't know who Jenny is, but here it goes. It's going on. System. I'm going to do a reset on the console, but I'll do that after I work on it. Storage devices. So it's 500 gig, 52% of it is used. So what I'll do now is I'm going to do a software update. Instead of going to Wi-Fi, I will take my card, I'm going to unplug it, plug in the USB, I'm going to hold down this. sync, eject, and power, and hold these until it goes to safe mode. Should be about 12 seconds. Okay, she's going to boot up. We already synced the controller up, so I'll turn it on. Offline system update. All right, so I'm going to do the update right now. I will do this, and then I'm going to do our system reset, and then turn it back on and try installing a game, and then we'll come back. Okay, the software update is done. Let's turn it on. Yeah, English. Oh, I gotta go through this whole setup again. Off account. That's the problem with resetting a console. You can't just do anything. It locks you. I'll tell you, if I would have to go through this 11 more times, there's got to be a better way. No thanks. No barriers. Skip this. No change. I'll have a code. All right. Pull the update probably out of it. And then finally I'll go and I'll erase everything off the hard drive and I'll install a game. Install the game once we get all this stuff off. Now let's install a game. See if it notices it. All right, that needs a laser. I tell you, if all I need is lasers on these things, I'm going to be very excited. It's a very easy job. Now we're going to unplug it, and I'll go on to the next one. Green dot. Maybe the green dot means it does power up. Let's see. The right on here needs laser, or it doesn't. Read games. I mean, laser could just be dirty, so I'm going to check those first. But generally, when I sell them as refurbished, I like to put a new laser on it anyway. Okay, here we go. We got a restart this Xbox. Could be a bad hard drive. So what I will do is I will shut it down and start it in safe mode and see if the software loads on it, because that'll sometimes solve a big problem. There's the beep. Turn the controller on. So I'm a little under the weather. All right, let's see if it does a system update and boots up. All right, so here we are. I did the software update and it still has a problem. It says restart this Xbox. Pretty sure it's a hard drive. I have a spare one. I will throw it in. Not going to do it on this video. I'm just making my notes. Console number 5. This one has a crack in the top. So this one has, luckily I have a couple donor boxes. So if it works, I'll still be able to use a good box. I have about 4 of them. Yeah, I have donor boxes. Because when I first got into it, I'm still not great at it yet, updating HDMIs. I tore pads, rushing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a software update first before I go crazy. Actually, I think I'm going to do a reset on the Xbox. Let's see what we got on it. We're going to reset console. Okay, and as you see, she's ready to boot. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do the software update right away. It's console number 5. So far we have 3 consoles that need a laser, 1 that needs a hard drive. So we're offline system update. Okay, software is updated. Let's go hook up the control and see what we're dealing with. Okay, go to the settings, make sure. That's weird how it has 365 gig, not up there. All right, disk is not reading again. I'm also going to make a note about the hard drive size of this one. So that's number 5. plus the damage in the case. Okay, let's hook up the controller. Okay, we'll be right back. Software update. Pull this out. Got the disc in. Let's see if it reads it. There it is. Well, we got disc reading now. Let's see if it installs. It's installing. All right, giving a little update on console number 6. It's taking forever. It's probably going to be my last one for the night. I might do one more before I go to bed and come up with daylight. But game is installing. It's ready to start. Just want to make sure it finishes so I know the CD-ROM is good. All right, and as you see, the game is loading. The install is 90% done. I think it's safe to say everything's good. So this console is just going to get a cleaning, thermal paste, fans cleaned, and a go through and a polish, and it's going to look new, and we're going to put it for sale. So, just rocking and rolling. All right, that's console 6 is done. Time for console number 7. Light with a green light on it, red label. So don't know what those things are meaning, but you know, sometimes people will have consoles that they'll scrap out or damage only because their power supply is bad, and this is firing right up. So this looks like it's going to be a pretty good one. I'm noticing the hard drive's taking a little while to boot up, so I'll do the software, I'll do the reset, the update, and let's see if it takes a long time, because I know the hard drive is starting to go. Okay, so do an update, and we'll be back after the reset is done. All right, she's ready for the reset. We'll do the update, repetitious. You know, I'm really curious with the red label. So far, the red label has only meant CD-ROM broken. All right, once again, number 7, updating. We'll come back. As you can tell, I put the good one that's ready for a restore up top, so I know the problem one's on her bottom, and I'll go over in order. The question is whether or not I'm not going to restore every one of these on here, of course. It's redundant. It's the same thing over and over. But I will show you the pile when they are done. Unless they sell. I mean, that I can't put it on there, but I will give you statuses on every one of them. Excellent. Okay, let's verify what's going on. Everything's been reset. And that's, yep, something went wrong. Close. As you can see, something went wrong, close. I took a disc out while I was reading. It definitely needs to be cleaned. All right, on to console number 7. No, number 8. On to console number 8. Here's console number 8. Okay, reset was done. Let's now unplug it. Came in, even though it just had one. Let's see if it installs. Oh, wait, it's popping up. It's installing. All right, we're going to let it do its install, and we're going to come back. All right, we've been installing Call of Duty pretty much all night. It just keeps shutting down. The CD-ROM needs to be cleaned. Another CD-ROM. On to the, what's that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On to the 9th one. Hey, it's me. I am back. I have gone through all 13 of the consoles. I am on my 14th one to go through. I'll tell you all the various issues. This one does have a wrecked case on the bottom. I think I do have some donor cases I will take, and I'll have to swap the label out so the board does match the decal. So I'll have to do that whole heat up trick and get all that clean. I'll plug in the HDMI, turn it on. Here's what we got. So out of them, I did 5 of them off camera. 3 of them were good. I basically had a bad disk. One of them had an issue with the Wi-Fi module. So all the same, 3 of them good. CD-ROM's good. Everything's good. I just got to clean them. One had a module, and the other one wasn't reading disk, so it needs a laser. So for these Xboxes, I paid $20 a piece for. I'm going to make some good money with them. I'm not going to restore them all on camera. I will take one and do it on camera out of it. Not sure which one yet. Probably one that needs a laser, so I can at least add the laser into it. Either out of the Wi-Fi module, which is pretty easy. But whatever it is, I'm going to do a restore of an Xbox on a future video to see one of them. Maybe I'll do 2 different ones, because 2 different issues. Who knows? But this is what it is. And what I will also do is give an update when they do physically sell. And here's Rhonda's console, apparently. Turn on the controller. Sync it up. Any games in it? Nope. Oh, I did, by the way, get 3 free games. I want 2 Call of Duties and an NBA 2K. All right. Let's reset and remove everything. Continue without connecting. And we'll come back after the reset is done and try installing a game, be the final one. All right. Software is updated. The thumb drive. Let's go to the setup. Yes, I had to do this 14 times. Go disk. Oh, another update. Wow, so my thumb drive just got outdated in the last week. Okay, gonna start it and come right back. Okay, I am officially done. It's installing. I'm having more of a data transfer problem over my Wi-Fi because it's updating on the net and it's just taking forever, but the disk seems to be working fine. So I'm gonna remove the disk. This console will be restored completely. I will clean the lasers. I'll also check the ohmages on it too. And I do not overclock the ohmages on the lasers. I check the safe parameters, what they're at. And I go usually about 10% above what they recommend. That will be the lowest safe point. This way the laser won't overclock on it. Otherwise I change the laser. Depends on if they're already there. So yeah, that's it. 14 consoles, all ready to go. I will show you in one of the future episodes what the outcome is. Thank you.